So let's make your Chrome faster. The first thing you're going to do right now is the extensions. Please manage them and choose the one that really helps you a lot. Choose the one that you only use frequently and remove the ones that you don't really use anymore. So click remove right there, each one of them, and you'll be good to go. Next up, making sure our Chrome is up to date. Click on the three dots right here, look for the one that says help, click on about Google Chrome, and once I click on this one, it automatically checks for an update. Right now, as I'm recording this video, the latest update for Chrome would be 138.0.7204.158. Next one, going back on Google Chrome right here, clearing the cache and data. For that one to work, again 3 dots and looking for the one that says clear cache history. So let's just click on browsing data right there. In here, make sure you select all the time right here. Click on browsing history, cookies, and cache image and file. Delete our data and you'll be good to go. For the next one, again click on the upper right for the 3 dots, click on settings, looking for performance on the left sections. In here, we're gonna click a little things there. So first, under memory, make sure this is maximum. And for speed, make sure this is gonna be under extended preloading. Now, if you're using Chrome for multiple tabs, for example, I add multiple tabs right there, each tab of your Chrome is using your processor. So to make sure you're using an optimized Chrome, click on Shift Escape to check on the task manager inside your Chrome. As you can see, CPU, network, and process ID would be right here. And process of each one of them, making sure you be good to go. Now for the next one, if it's still persistent in being slow, click on the URL. In here, type in the specific address. So that will be Chrome. And in here, we're going to the column dash dash. That will be settings. Another dash right there. Click on reset. So click on enter right here. It will ask you to restore our settings. Basically, we're making sure to be restarting Chrome all the way. So next up, another tip for you is make sure your malware and virus protection is perfectly on. Right now I'm using McAfee and also the Windows security settings to make sure I have a good and private work setup. So going back on Google right here, right there, for the next step for this one, we're making sure we have enhanced protection. There's a built-in privacy security inside Chrome. If I click on settings right here, and then look for privacy and security, should be around here somewhere. That one right there. So once you're in here, make sure that you check on security and click on enhanced protection. That should do it. So after everything we've done, and the problem still persists, I suggest changing your ISP or your internet service provider. Maybe it will be an external issue. However, I'm confident after doing everything you did there, your Chrome will be faster.